Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2024 Grady-White 231 Coastal Explorer. This boat was highly anticipated from Grady-White. They have the 25 and the 28. They used to have the 190, but we're looking for something right in the middle. Then they released this 231 Coastal Explorer. We optioned it with the matching Grady-White white Yamaha 250. We did sea glass green gel coat color. Then, of course, the underside of the T-top matches that. Let's go ahead and jump inside and take a look around. All right, guys, so I'm inside the 231 Coastal Explorer by Grady-White. Let's go ahead and look at the bow of the boat. So you do have a large fish box. Excuse the cushions. They're not perfect right now, but large single fish box up front. We did add this filler cushion right here that can transform, or you can actually put a table base in there as well. Backrest that electrically lift up and down. Nice little cooler built in right here as well. Rod holders and the gunnels on both sides. Very nice leaning post right here with the bait well built in. Again, I'll go ahead and show you guys that. It's a large blue. The water circulates clockwise, keeps your bait alive because it is curved everywhere on there. So at the helm area, we have plenty of room for your electronics. We do have an electronics box up top if you want to put a VHF radio in there. Of course, comes standard with the command link display from Yamaha. But great overall boat. Let me go ahead and show you guys a quick peek inside the head compartment. Right here, got the porta potty with the pump out. I don't think it has a macerator, but definitely have the pump out. And again, Grady-White 231 Coastal Explorer here at MarineMax Houston. My name is Billy Folks. You can reach me at 936-223-6770. Have a great day.